orange thunder, and hot grits. Yeah, mule, yeah!
When it's organic, there's no need to panic. 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 The produce I grow, I know that it's lemon, the veggies, the fruit. I know they taste better, potatoes, tomatoes. I grow whatever, I drop it in time. They come up on schedule.
You dig?
Oh, it was a fly in my mouth. We about to go ahead and plant down on the outside so we can go ahead and put these sunflowers in the ground so they can bust up to the skies and have big bulbs on them like basketballs and have thousands sunflower seeds that the birds can eat on. Then we can dry them out and eat them too. Then replant them for next year. You dig? So this is what we got. We got some of these mammoth sunflowers. Booyah! We got some of these evening mix, so it's gonna be all pretty in the mix. You dig what I'm saying? And I know I got some purple ones. Where the purple one? Where the purple one?
So, the big sack. Where is the big sack? Where is the big sack in that pile of seeds? Where is the big sack? Where is the big sack?
Looking for the big
Where
sack.
is the big sack?
In the pile. Well, found it!
Woo!
Whatever he wrote right there, I can't understand his writing, but these whole bunch of sunflowers.
What's the name of it? One more, the tiller?
I call my tiller orange thunder and hot grits.
You ain't never seen that like this before.
Beats.com.
I'm in Vegas.
Oh, yes, I am.
Chillin' major.
Chillin' so major.
In a garden.
What?
I'm in a garden.
Yeah.
I'm in Vegas.
Oh, yes, I am.
Chillin' major.
Chillin' so major.
In a garden.
What?
I'm in a garden.
Yeah.
Straight from West Side.
What's up to you?
What's up, Furg?
What's up, man?
I'm gonna show you how to make compost. That's what it do. What's up, bro? Now what?
About to plant down these sunflowers.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know that's my favorite. I love them sunflowers, man.
Yeah. We got some mammoths. We got some purple violet.
Okay.
We got some Mexican. We got some sunrisers.
Yeah.
What you drinking on, OG?
Oh, Bush out
All right, Bush.
Bush out here. What was about
You ain't about to put your house. You gonna take the slides off, man?
Nah, man, this how you got to do it, man. You got to be one with nature. I ain't too good to get dirty, man. Then afterwards, I'm going to get me some good old oxtails and some curry chicken with black eyed peas.
You know what I mean? Started making a little pathway, started getting these aesthetics together so it look all pretty. We put down the ice cream on the volunteer day. Now we adding the sprinkles and the whipped cream. You did what I'm saying? The cherry is coming soon.
Yo, Furg, what up?
Why get your finger out your nose?